హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు సాక్షి సినిమా. మార్కో, రంగబలి, కేరామ్ వంటి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ సినిమాల్లో నటించిన బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ టాలెంటెడ్ హీరోయిన్ యుక్తి తారేజాతో ఇవాళ మన స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. నమస్తే.
నమస్తే. బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నా. మీరెలా ఉన్నారు? హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఐమ్
ఓకే.
ఫైన్.
హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ కేజేక్యూ టీమ్?
It was amazing. I think this very less films a heroine get in their career where they get pushed, in their acting skills and everything. I think this was that script where I got that characterization and got the equal importance in everything. It is a very layered character I have played. Uh, every layer in from innocence to becoming that girl, becoming a queen. So it was a very good journey. It was a very beautiful journey I've had. I got pushed out of my comfort zone to play this character. And yes, I have absolutely loved the team also. Dikshit and Shashi, they were all very supportive of me. Shashi became a really good friend. And Kiran sir, of course, I think I've not worked with that kind of a director ever in my life. He was just a genius, I would say, a terrific director. And this shouldn't have been his last film. He should have been making more films like this, because if you will watch this film when it's gonna get released, you'll know that what that guy actually was.
There is any particular reason to you said okay to this story?
It was my characterization. Absolutely. The way Kiran sir has written the girl's part, the queen's part, it is just beautiful. I have not seen people writing that kind of parts for girls. Like, it's very less, right?
Yeah.
Like, if out of 100%, there must be like 10 or 15% people who must be writing a very like strong character for a girl. And I think I was just lucky enough that it just came to me.
Nowadays we are hearing that kind of words. The heroines just for songs or show something like that. So is it happy for you this movie?
I think that time is gone. It's not that time. We're living in 2026. And if you will watch this film, it's not a regular cinema. It is not like I'm there for like two songs and like, beauty shots. And
Yeah.
I actually don't, like, nobody focused on beauty shots in this film. Everybody has been portrayed very raw. We all are looking raw as the script demands. And yes, it's not like anyone is like a bichara papam and the heroine needs to be saved from someone like any other film. It's a very different film that way.
Can you tell us about your co-stars Dikshit Shetty and Suresh Hosala?
I think Dikshit is a phenomenal actor. He's terrific at his work. The first thing I noticed about him was his professionalism and how hardworking he was. He was like really hardworking, and we didn't immediately become friends because we never spoke so much. We were always very like determined to like perform. Shashi and me became friends because we did workshops together. I never did workshops with Dikshit. So with Shashi also, I think he's a very hardworking person and he's gonna make it big. Like, I'm rooting for him.
ऐसा कुछ हुआ क्या सेट पे? कुछ भूल नहीं पा रहे आप? ऐसा कुछ चीज़ हुआ?
बोल नहीं पा रहे एज इन डायलॉग?
हाँ. ओके.
ऐसा नहीं हुआ. डायलॉग ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ.
भूल नहीं पा रहा है वैसा कुछ
अच्छा, ऐसी कोई चीज जो मैं भूल नहीं पा रही. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज, मतलब आई रिमेम्बर ऑल द सीन्स हाउ आई हैव परफॉर्म्ड इट फ्रॉम there's this house, my house scenes, and there's a very beautiful scene me and Dikshit share. It's a very strong scene. I exactly remember how I've shot everything. But I say, if you ask me like a one memorable moment,
Yes.
I think I actually shot few scenes with Shashi in his penthouse. So I think that scene is really memorable. It was a night shoot and we were just shooting till 6 in the morning, and nobody was like, oh, why we're shooting so late and this and that. There was nothing in their head like that. Karna hai. Karna hai ye. It was that kind of motivation. It was that kind of passion in all of us.
So we have seen a teaser. You look so raw and rustic like that. So what was your thought when you first time heard that story?
There was no question about it, I would say, that if I want to do it or not. I had to do it. Like,
Yeah.
if something like this you get, I mean, a person will be stupid only if they say no for it. Because I knew that this is my age to challenge myself with these kind of characters and to work with these kind of talented directors who push me to become a better performer, better actor. And yes, I just grabbed that opportunity.
And your previous works are Rangabali and Marco K-Ram. So what you have seen in you, the difference for this movie?
It is not an commercial entertainer film,
Mm.
I would say. Previously, the films I have done are very commercial entertainer film.
Yeah.
So when you have to, that acting is actually different. What I have done in K-Ram, it's a rom-com. My agenda was to make people laugh on my problems. Here it's not that. I want people to feel with me what I'm feeling. So the motivation is very different. So yes. Yeah.
सेट पे आपने आपको किसी ने हेल्प किया लैंग्वेज के बारे में?
Everybody was very helpful. From director sir to Shashi to Dikshit, everybody was very helpful. All the ADs, all the technicians, everybody was very helpful. But majorly, obviously, Kiran sir.
Okay, how is Telugu language?
I love Telugu. Yes, I love Telugu. I pick up really fast. I learn all my dialogues. And next time, if we do interview, obviously, I want to talk more in Telugu.
Can you say 2 words in Telugu which we have learned?
2 words. I have learned a lot of words.
Can you
నేను మాట్లాడాలి
Okay,
తెలుగు మాట్లాడాలి
already you are speaking Telugu.
మర్చిపోయావా
You forgot.
యా
You forgot. Okay. आजकल किसी ने बात करे आपके साथ तेलुगु में इधर शूटिंग के बाद भी?
Yeah, people talk with me, obviously, because I have Telugu friends only here. So in front of me, they are always talking in Telugu. So I know what they're talking, the context I get.
Okay.
Yes, you can also talk in Telugu.
Okay. Can I ask you questions in Telugu?
Yeah.
ఓకే మీరు సినిమాల్లోకి రాకముందు బిఫోర్ యూ కమ్స్ ఇన్ టు ద మూవీస్ ఏం చేసేవారు? వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ వర్క్?
I was studying actually. I was in the college. When modeling started for me, I was actually in the college, but part-time I was doing modeling. But in final year of my college, I shifted to Mumbai. And there my acting career started. I got that Ludgai song opportunity. And from that song, the Telugu industry called me. And since then, I'm just here.
सुपर, वेरी नाइस. मुंबई में कितने साल रहे आप?
मतलब अभी भी मैं वहाँ पे जाती रहती हूँ. तो बेसिकली 5 साल पहले गई थी मैं वहाँ पे. 5 years back I went there. And now, yes, it's like Mumbai and Hyderabad.
So
Keeps going on like that.
बचपन से आपने इमेजिन किया मैं एक ना एक दिन पक्का हीरोइन बनूंगा वैसे?
नहीं.
फिर कब इंस्पायर क्या चीज़ आपको इंस्पायर किया हीरोइन बनने के लिए? कौन सा चीज़, मतलब कब?
I think जब मुझे already when I got the opportunity, when I saw myself like that, my directors only told me that Yukti, you have to do films only in life. When I was doing that song Lut Gaye with Imran Hashmi, till that time I didn't know that I have to act. I was too young. I was just a 19-year-old girl who just came to Bombay out of nowhere. And I mean, yeah. And they told me that Yukti, you have to do only films in life. You are meant to be that girl. I mean, they made me realize it. I didn't know that.
Actually, Ludgay song is my one of favorite songs. In that song, you wore a traditional dress, right?
Yes, a red color lehenga.
Yeah. You are stunning in
Thank
that
you.
dress.
Thank you.
Really, really. So after that, you didn't get any album songs only for that song.
I have done 1-2 album songs after that, but that song became such a rage, such a big this thing. So I decided, obviously, when you get something like that, or maybe above that, then that's the point to do it, right? Yeah.
So
So I
what was
started focusing on films more.
okay? What was your first film?
Rangabali.
Rangabali.
That is my first ever film.
How did you get that opportunity? Who called you first?
The director called me up through some agent. He saw one picture of me on Instagram. I was wearing a white chudidar, and when I went to the office, Pavan was the director, and he did one look test of mine. We clicked few pictures, and then he made me do some expressions. He just gave me few situations that how I'm gonna react on this situation, and yes, I did all of that. And then he told me that I saw this picture of yours, and I was very sure that you are Sahaja. And I just wanted to check, like, okay, if you are the same person who looks like that, or it's just a photo. So yes, that's how I got that film.
So after that,
After that, I think after that
K-Ramp or Marco?
after that, actually, I've signed this film.
Hmm.
The same production house gave me the another film also. I love SLV. So yes, this film I signed after that, and KGQ Tarvata K-Ram I signed.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
K-Ramp. After that,
No, Marco.
Marco. Yes, yes.
KJ Tarvata Marco, and then Marco Tarvata K-Ram.
So
Yes.
can you share your acting experience with Marco actor Unni Mukundan?
Unni Mukundan is, I think he's phenomenal. He was co-producing that film. And the kind of hard work which has gone, he used to eat only 1500 calories the whole day to maintain that body, to maintain that physique. And he was fluent in Malayalam, Tamil, and Hindi also. And obviously English to everybody like has to know kind of. And yeah, I think he's really talented and made my work really easy, because Malayalam was a little difficult language for me to kind of catch. So yes, he really helped me with the whole process.
Okay. About Kiran Abhavaram.
Kiran is, I think, I think people don't know the side of him, that he's really talkative. I think he talks a lot and he loves talking. He shared all his journey from where he has come to why he wanted to become a certain person, and then how the whole process of his films, how he has produced his first film and second, and I think tremendous hard work that guy has done to reach where he is now and made a space for himself, like in this industry where it's very difficult for like people from outside to like kind of make their own space.
अभी भी बहुत मुश्किल है लड़की लोग को फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए जो लड़की लोग अभी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आ रहे हैं वन सजेशन इफ यू वांट टू गिव व्हाट वाज दैट
I think just make your nervous system very strong so that nothing can affect you. Because initially when I was like, new to the industry, I come from a simple background where, you are loved by your parents and all of that, you're not like strong as such. But I think with time, obviously, you need to have a very strong nervous system so that you can like take those rejections and criticisms and use them to your benefit.
So back to Lut Gaye song and can you tell us about Imran Hashmi?
Imran Hashmi is he's phenomenal. I think so I was obviously, he's the first star I'm working with from like college to I'm like on the set with him. It was a big like change for me. I never knew like that could happen in life. So I was not speaking anything. I couldn't even look at his eyes. I was just like this.
Why?
I couldn't. I was too shy. I was like, like what do I talk?
Because he's serious
I
what a
mean-
serial killer what
No, not like that. He was not intimidating. He was really sweet. He was not intimidating, but like I have grown watching him, his movies, Jannat, all these things. And then you immediately just see them in person, and it's just unbelievable kind of a thing. So yeah, and the same happened with Allu Arjun also. When I saw him for the first time, I was like, hello, because I am a fan, you know. For even if I have also done movies, I will be intimidated a bit because
Yeah.
you know you're a
होता है
fan.
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है
Yeah.
पहले क्या बोला आपको इमरान हाशमी ने फर्स्ट
He
टाइम
only initiated the conversation. He's like, "Hi, आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? What are you doing in life? How did you get this? Are you comfortable?" Everything. Like he only made me comfortable, and then I started sharing everything. I became comfortable because initially that time I didn't know like how to start a conversation with anyone.
आपने बोला आइकॉनिक स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन को भी मिला बोल के
Yeah.
नो क्या बोला आपको देखिए आपने कुछ क्या बोला अल्लू अर्जुन सर को
बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं हुई. I didn't talk so much with him, but he
कहाँ
was
से मिला
at his brother's wedding.
ओके
There,
सीरियस वेडिंग
yes, yes, yes. So there we met. Obviously, he was very busy with all the guests.
यू हैव गॉट invitation
No, no, I went there without invitation. Of course, I got the invite. I mean, I have self-respect.
okay
So yeah, I went. So there, like, matlab, we didn't talk so much, like for one hour, but yeah. I told him like I really admire your work and all of that, and he was like so good to see you, so lovely to meet you, all of that.
आपने तेलुगु पिक्चर्स देखते हैं
Yeah.
अभी रिसेंट में कौन सा फिल्म देखा आपने
Recent Telugu film, I think. I know it was released in 2022 or 2023, Hi Nana, but I watched it recently.
Nani's film.
Nani's film.
okay
Yes.
who's
I-
your favorite hero
Nani is my favorite. Allu Arjun is my favorite. Nani, I really, really want to work with him because I feel like he has this easiness on screen. Like, if you watch any film of his, like there's this film of his which I really like, Enti Sundaraniki. I mean, I don't know. He's
అంటే సుందరానికి
Ante Sundaraniki. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a rom-com. And then I watched him in Hi Nana. It was a very... He's so easy on eyes. I mean, and I think when you work with these kind of actors, they automatically push you to become a better performer.
యా
And there's just... Whatever he does is just like very natural. It's not like he's doing anything. When he's emotional, it's very accepting that, okay, he's feeling that way. He's making you feel that way. Very less actors are like that, I feel like. That who you can cry with, who you can laugh with, who you can fall in love with just by watching on the screen. I think he's that actor for me.
सो पैन इंडिया लेवल में टॉलीवुड से बहुत हिट फिल्म्स आ चुका है लाइक बाहुबली ट्रिपल आर एंड पुष्पा आपने ये सब फिल्म देखा
Yeah.
क्या लगा आपको ये फिल्म देखने के बाद
Yeah, मेरे को ना, I like simple stories more. I like I like the simplicity in the stories. I said this in other interview also. I really like that film Fida.
वो फिदा साई पल्लवी मूवी
Sai Pallavi. I loved her character Bhanumati. How she has portrayed that character. She's a normal girl with a normal. She's emotional, stubborn, but how she has played. There's the simplicity in the story, and there's nothing very much dramatic about anything. It's just a normal story which you are watching with like it's actually happening with any dramatic emotions. I like that kind of writing. That's why I really like Shekhar Kamala sir's work.
आर यू वेटिंग फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म सो
Yes.
और अगले प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या है आपका
I'm working on 3 films at this point. All 3 are Telugu. So I'm really excited for the audience to watch me in the films. Yes.
ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ అండ్ ఈ ఫిలిం పెద్ద హిట్ కావాలని కేజేక్యూ మేము మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ అస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ
Thank you to you. Thank you for giving so much support to our film. And yes, we need all the support and love from the audience also for this film. This should be a blockbuster for the sake of our director.
Thank you.
Yeah.